Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn off all annoying notification sound on your Mac. So if your Mac keeps making notification sound throughout the day, it can quickly become distracting, especially if you are working, studying or attending online meetings. So to turn off all annoying sounds, just click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen, then go to System Settings option. Within this section, scroll through the left side panel and click on notification option. Now within the list of application, open any app whose notification sound you want to disable. Just click on it and here either you can disable the notification or also turn off the toggle right to play sound for notification so that you will still receive all the notification from the app but without sound. Next, within the system settings, go to sound section and here if you also want to reduce system alert sound, then just lower the alert volume, or if you want to completely disable user interface sound like screenshot sound or other volume change sound, then turn off the toggle right to play user interface sound effect and also turn off the toggle right to play feedback when volume is changed. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.